This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the RD-180 engine roars to life and liftoff of the maiden flight of the Lockheed Martin Atlas V rocket with a Hotbird 6 spacecraft on board for Eutelsat of Paris, France. With this Atlas V mission underway, let's listen to Rob Gannon providing launch vehicle ascent data here from the Atlas Space Flight Operations Center.
We have throttled down to 99% thrust right on time. Everything looks good. Flight control is nice and normal. And the vehicle continues right down the center of the range track. PU looks good. Booster propulsion parameters look good. Vehicle rates continue to look normal. And booster PU continues to ride right on the lock stop as expected. And all propulsion parameters continue to look good. 1 minute into the flight, everything looks good. Everything continues to control normally, right as expected. And we continue to fly normal. Vehicle continues to fly down the center of the range track. Coming up on 100 seconds into the flight. And we are throttling down as expected. Engine parameters show the throttle down, looking good. Vehicle continues right down the center of the track. Flight control is stabilized out.
Umbilical retract.
Ready.
Booster LO2.
Ready.
Booster propulsion.
Ready.
Booster
All systems
hydraulics.
continue to look good.
Booster pneumatics.
Ready.
Centaur engine chill.
Ready.
Centaur pneumatics.
Ready.
Centaur LO2.
Ready.
Centaur LH2.
Ready.
And flight control looks good.
Ready.
Everything is
Electrical.
working normally.
Ready. RAF FTS.
Ready.
Flight control.
Ready.
Instrumentation.
25
Ready.
minutes, 30 seconds into the
Ready.
mission, everything looks
Execute.
good.
Ready.
Facility electrical.
Ready.
Assistant launch conductor.
Ready.
Anomaly chief.
Ready.
And vehicle systems continue to look good. And we did have steering enabled a few seconds ago, right on time. Two minutes, 52 seconds in the flight, everything looks good. And everything looks good. We have fired the pyro valve, pressurizing the reaction control system. Timing on that was normal. And everything continues to look good. We continue to accelerate at 4.6 Gs. We are 100 nautical miles downrange. 40 nautical miles in altitude at 7,800 miles per hour. And we have started boost phase chill down. We are now in our constant 5G throttle phase. Engine is throttling down as expected. And we have stopped boost phase chill down. Everything looks good. Coming up on MECO, we have booster engine shut down. Everything looks good there. We have stage separation. We have pre-start on fuel and locks. We have ignition and full thrust. Both the engine is up and running normally. All parameters on the center engine look good. We have fairing separation.
This is Atlas Mission Control at L plus 4 minutes, 47 seconds and counting, and you can hear the cheering here at the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center with very, very dramatic video, stunning images here of the cameras from the vehicle showing the Common Core booster Atlas staging. We had the RD-180 performance that was excellent. The stage performed as expected and has jettisoned. The Centaur is now in its first burn, main engine start number 1 occurring moments ago, and we saw the engine operation begin from the onboard camera. We got absolutely stunning images coming back from these cameras. It was just a beautiful ride, and the Atlas Common Core booster phase of flight is now complete. Centaur main engine start number 1 is now in progress. The 4-minute phase of the Atlas booster flight was nominal, as you heard. We are now in main engine start. We've had main engine start number 1, and we will have MECO 1 at about 15 minutes and 10 seconds into the flight. So we've got a long first burn here, 10-minute and 51-second first burn. Everything continues as expected with the mission, and this is Atlas Mission Control at L plus 5 minutes, 58 seconds and counting.
And engine operating parameters continue to operate normally. We've gone to closed loop control on the Centaur PU system. Everything looks good. We're seeing a few dropouts in data, but otherwise it's been very clean. Taking a look at the range track, the vehicle continues right down the center of the range track, operating nominally. We are now 627 nautical miles downrange, 126 nautical miles in altitude, traveling at 11,600 miles per hour. And we are riding the fuel stop on Centaur PU.
Booster L2 storage tank below 10 psig.
Yeah,
Step 07.
there.
Roger. OSM, LC.
Engine parameters
go ahead.
operate normally.
Sequence 308, Team 1 may enter Complex 41.
They're rolling that way.
ECS LC.
Go ahead, LC.
Switch all ECS from GN2 to air.
Roger.
ECS switch PEB to ventilate.
Roger.
Continuing to ride on the fuel stop.
Copy that.
And the vehicle is 828 nautical miles downrange, 140 nautical miles in altitude at 12,000 miles per hour.